Greetings, my fellow actors. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to synchronize your Act database, your Act remote database, manually. So the way you do that is you're going to come up to Tools, you're going to click on Tools, you're going to go down to Synchronize Database, and where it says Synchronize Now, you just simply click on that. That's one way. Another way, I want you to observe that up here, I have a button that I put up there that I can click on just to make it a little bit easier. But how did I get that button up there? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this menu bar, the gray bar, and I'm going to click on Customize. Now at this point, I'm going to click on Commands, and these are some of the different options here that coincide or are the same as what you see across the top here. They're in a slightly different order, but they're in here. I happen to know that Synchronize is under Tools, so I clicked on that. I'm going to click on Synchronize Now and hold, and I'm going to drag it up to the menu bar and let go. So now it's there twice. I don't really need it there twice, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that, right click, and go delete. So that's how you add a shortcut to the toolbar and also manually synchronize. Very quick tutorial. Thank you so very much. If you have any questions, as always, reach out to me. Be well, my friends.